As shown in the title, today I'm going to be showing you the best 60% keyboard you can get out there right now, the Kemove Snowfox 621. As you can see, the company really put a lot of effort into the packaging. Inside the box is the braided cable, the switch puller, the keycap remover, and 3 test switches. As you can see, it really complements the white in my setup. The reason why you don't see a cable connected to the keyboard is because it also doubles as a Bluetooth keyboard with a 3000 mAh battery. The keyboard also comes with feet. Now here's a quick typing test. To conclude the review, I 100% recommend this keyboard due to the small form factor and the fact that it leaves so much room for me to use my mouse.